make it. You'll make it. Make it. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're doing is we're going to be replacing the OEM trunk, and we're going to replace it with the CSL carbon fiber trunk from Saban, because I've had my past experiences with Saban has been really good. So we're going to be doing it, and we're at Dani's place right now. He got the tent for us, Longhorn tents, because it's super hot over here. So yeah, and I know I haven't been vlogging for a while, but there's a very good reason for that, and I'll share with you guys at the end. So stick to the end. Alright, so here's where the trunk is. I fitted the trunk right here. My back seat. Alright, so the trunk was paint match. It's a Saban trunk. It was paint matched by Richard Kyle. I'll leave it in for right below. His prices are super dope. It was paint matched like OEM, like factory. You can't tell the difference on the paint, but he did a super good job. His prices are real good, so hit him up if you guys look for if you guys want to paint your parts. How much did you pick this Benz up for?
600.
600?
Yeah.
You could pick this shit up for 600 bucks from Colorado last year, and when I saw it last time, it was all messed up and everything, and like now I got like new body panels, and the dude painted. How did the previous guy paint this car?
Spray.
He spray painted the entire car. Can't get ghettoer than this. Look at the paint on this car. What if we take off the trunk first, and then
yeah, that's what I was
then try to test fit this, and then we can put that shit on.
Oh, you want to test fit it? You don't think it'll fit?
I mean, what if it doesn't fit, and then we do all the hard work for nothing?
That is true. But hey, we can't really take it off until we disconnect the wires in here, though.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, we could get it off, but not like. Update, we took the little mesh off right here. We unplugged these lights and the trunk latch right here, and I'm not just making him work because he has all the tools. I forgot to bring my tools, so yeah, I mean, I know how to work on it too, but like I'd rather have him work with him because he knows where all his Holy shit, this one probably weighs like what, 50 or 40 to 50 pounds right here, versus this one's like literally Saban. Look at this, literally like what, one finger,
two fingers. This one weighs around like 12 or 14 pounds, I'm not sure. So while Dani's taking off the wooden trims from the carbon trunk, I'm going to be taking off the tail lights right here and then the license plate.
got it in. We got the wires in too from right here. Fitment's like perfect, like 100% perfect. Maybe 99%, maybe not 100%, but it's like perfect in my eyes. Now we're just gonna run the wires through in, and like, you know that little carpet thing that comes with your OEM trunk? I kind of don't want to put this on because I kind of like that black contrast with the silver when the trunk's open, and I don't want to cover this shit up. It's a flex. I'm just kidding, it's not a flex, but I feel like this black contrast with silver looks really good, so I don't want to cover it up. I'll just leave it raw like that. Alright, so the trunk's back on. Save on trunk. We're not putting this thing on because this thing weighs like probably a pound or half a pound, but I just like the way it looks, so I'm not putting it on, not for weight savings, but it could be for weight savings. It's like 1 pound. Alright, you want to shut it, but oh, the only downside to this is we don't have a keyhole. You want to show them that we don't have a keyhole? Put it down. We don't have to put that tool.
Put this on. But that was a switch for. Hopefully it's still open.
Alright, put the trunk down.
You're not gonna put this on, bro?
What?
The lights.
The license plate light. We are.
Hold on.
Alright, so as you can see, we don't have the keyhole. So I don't know how we're gonna take it off. Probably with the remote. I don't know if anyone installed this right here, a carbon trunk. Let us know on the comments down below that how'd you do it. I mean, I don't want to drill a hole. And then one of my friends did ask me that he had the status group one, but I don't want to switch it. I kind of like the flush look right here with no. All right, he shut the trunk. Now the real test it. Since we don't have a keyhole and we don't have that little thing you guys pop right here to open the trunk, will this do the magic or not? All right, here it goes. R.I.P. Yes, it did. All right, so the trunk's working right now. Wait. Yeah, keep going. So Dani's parking his Impreza. He was about to do a WRX conversion, but I guess he's not doing it anymore. He's gonna sell it.
It's gonna beep.
Where do you want me to go?
Right?
Right?
Yeah.
Make a right?
Yeah, make another right.
Send it.
This is how it moves. I got recorded. Hit me
All
up.
right, bro. Thanks for the help.
For sure.
Plug in your Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Dan Bergie.
All right, bro. I got you. I'll see you Saturday.
Hit me up.
I will.
All right, we're gonna head home real quick because I gotta go play soccer real quick. All right, you guys. So I'm home right now, and it's kind of late at night, so I gotta be speaking in a quiet manner because I have people sleeping next to me. So I told you guys that I'll be telling you guys or sharing with you guys why I haven't been vlogging for a while. So within the last 1.5 months, 2 of my family members passed away. One of my uncle passed away, and then 2 weeks later I was like, I'm gonna upload a video. If you guys seen the RX-7 video, the one which was right before this video, if you guys haven't seen it, go watch it. But I was about to upload that like a long time ago, and then my cousin passed away. And my cousin, he was like one of my biggest supporters on for my life and for the channel. He used to motivate me to upload more videos. He was like my biggest fan for my channel, and he was my biggest critique too. So that hit me hard. And he was young. He just passed away unexpectedly, and it put me into a shock, and it gave me a different perspective. But then later I was thinking like I'm still gonna upload videos, because if he was here, he would want me to upload videos, and he asked me to be consistent because I know I haven't been consistent. So I'm gonna be trying to be consistent. So yeah, that's the back end of the story why I haven't been consistent. And then also, if Corbin, if you're watching this, when you subscribed to my channel, I was like 99, so you were my 100th subscriber. So I have a gift for you. It's an E46 M3. It's a Hot Wheels version. So I'm gonna be sending it to you. All you gotta do is just go to Instagram and DM me, and then DM me that you're Corbin, and just send me a screenshot of your YouTube. And yeah, just give me your mailing address and I will mail it to you. Shipping is on me, so you don't have to do anything. Just give me your address. And thanks for the support. And to anyone watching this, thank you guys for watching it. Thank you guys for supporting me. And just like this video if you liked it, and then please consider subscribing. Until next time.